আপনারা দেখছেন নিউজ নাও, খবরের নতুন ভাষা।
কাইবা হাস্তেতে বিধাनसभानि चंगबारिनि सालमारि साख्लायखा इलेक्शन कमिशन एप्रिल तालो चंगबारि ओंनाय गोरों गोरों हास्तेव लेखाजाकनाय ब्रwi मे सालमारिव चंगबारि गजां खलायै पायरिनानि बागै याप्रिसेजा कमिशन बसकांनि विधानसभा चंगबारिनो बसकांगो तनिवै आसाम केरला तमिलनाडु वेस्ट बेंगल ते पुदुचेरी चंगबारि ओंनानि बागै साख्लायखा इलेक्शन कमिशन साख्लायमारगै आसाम केरला पुदुचेरी Chuku April salmario chongbari ओंनाय Tamilnadu ओंनाय nwichitham April salmario kokti salo kokthum padnani bisingtui okokno saklaikha election commission.
All 126 assembly constituencies for Assam, the polling shall be just in one phase, and the polling shall take place on 9th of April, Thursday 2026. The counting shall be on 4th of May. All 140 assembly constituencies of Kerala shall also go for polling on 9th April, that is Thursday, and counting shall be on the same day, that is 4th May 2026. Puducherry also will go along with Assam and Kerala. The date of poll is 9th April and the counting will be 4th of May. Tamilnadu, all 234 assembly constituencies will go for poll on 23rd of April in one phase, and the counting shall be on the same day for all the 5 states/UT, that is 4th of May 2026.
Ke babaisha West Bengal hasteo wainwi chongbari nahar jaknani bagai wansukjak khahini shaka election commission nwichitham tei nwichichuku April salmario West Bengal hasteni বিধানসভা চংবারি ओंनाय কাইবা hasteni চংবারিনি no lekhanai fainai brwi me salmario.
The 294 assembly constituencies, the polling shall be held in 2 phases. In the first phase 152 and the second phase 142. The date of poll shall be 23rd of April and 29th of April. And the counting shall be together for all, that is 4th of May 2026.
O kaiba hasteni chongbari 17 crore 80 lakh voter stock shakni buchongtui vote rinai Bebak 824 বিধানসভা vote najaknai chongbari teibo kaham kurung khlainani bagai laithangnaI bisaromino tiar oंgmani hini shaka election commissioner Gyanesh Kumar aboni bisingo oंखा SIR abri logiwo vote nanani bagai raidabo kotal snamjakha voter stock ni mobile phone vote center ni fataro matoninai vote ribaima ulo haino hai mobile phone yago manfinai hini shaka election commission. Bureau report News Now.